Ask English, we're back. These are some things you should do and things you should not do in the speaking part 1 of the IELTS test. Okay, so the first thing is be confident. When you go into the room, be confident. Look like you own the room, okay? That's what examiners like. You need to be confident. Speak up. Don't be too quiet or anything like that. Number 2, show excitement. I don't want the examiner to get bored when you don't show excitement. Yeah? Be like me, show excitement. Move your hands, speak. Number 3, very important one. Most people won't tell you this, but I am. Remember it. Vocabulary. Very crucial. Okay? Rather than using food, use cuisine. Rather than using very important, use crucial. Rather than using very careful, use cautious. Okay? Only use words like this if you can pronounce them well. If not, go back to the basics. Okay? If you use the basics, maybe you can get 5, 6. If you use more advanced, you can get a higher grade, but only use it if you can pronounce it well. Follow us to see many more examples of this. We will show it in later videos. Rather than using I like, use I prefer or I enjoy. I prefer going to the park. I enjoy going to the park rather than I like going to the park. Rather than I think, say I reckon or I believe. Okay? Rather than using a lot of, say a plethora of or a myriad of. Okay? Now moving on to the section that you should not do. There are not many things. However, many people mess up here, so pay attention. Don't speak with a monotone. What is a monotone? A monotone is when someone speaks like this in a very boring and very calm way that the examiner will fall asleep on you because you're very boring. In order for this not to happen, we go back to excitement. Show excitement. If not, examiner is just gonna fall asleep and then you're not anyone special, you're not gonna get a good grade. Number 2, don't give yes or no answers. If the examiner asks you a question such as, do you enjoy sports? Don't say, yes, I like sports. First of all, rather than like, use enjoy. I enjoy sports. Second of all, give a 1 or 2 sentence answer. How to do that? Take this and give a reason why. Do you enjoy sports? Yes, I enjoy sports because I like to be out in the sun and play. I like to get my exercise in and it's very healthy for me. 2 sentences, max. I didn't use only yes or no answers, I give a whole sentence. Very important. Lastly, don't speak too quickly. Okay? It's not a race, you don't need to beat anyone. Speak at a normal pace. Don't speak too quickly, don't speak too slowly. You need to last 4 to 5 minutes. However, the quicker you do it, the more you need to speak. And if you speak too slow, the examiner will ask more and more questions. It's going to be harder. Practice speaking at a normal rate. Follow us for the next video.